Welcome to another insightful episode where we unravel the secrets to achieving world-class manufacturing reliability. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep, your partner in elevating maintenance and reliability teams. In today's video, we will take a deep dive into 4 fundamental steps that will catapult your operations to the elite level of reliability. We will discuss the importance of committed leadership, the role of transparency, the necessity of a reliability culture, and how advanced technology can be your game changer. So let's get started and set your facility on the path to staying ahead of breakdowns, reducing costs, and boosting profits. World-class manufacturing reliability is not just a lofty ambition, it's a game changer with tangible benefits for every business. Imagine your manufacturing facility constantly staying a step ahead of breakdowns, enjoying higher asset utilization, reducing maintenance costs, boosting safety statistics, and ultimately, raking in more profits. Sounds impressive, right? But how do you elevate your operations to this elite level? First up, we have results-focused, committed leadership. The path to world-class reliability is paved with maintenance directors who are laser-focused on achieving top-notch reliability results every single day. But it's not just about the daily grind. You also need consistency and longevity in your executive team. After all, reaching this peak of reliability is a marathon, not a sprint, and you need leaders who are in it for the long haul. Visibility and transparency also play a pivotal role. Maintenance leadership should be in daily communication with maintenance managers. And ideally, the performance goals and progress should be visible to the entire maintenance team. This fosters a team environment, helping everyone see how their individual contributions are shaping the bigger picture. Next, we have the reliability culture. This is where the first step feeds into the second. Every team member, from top to bottom, needs to be dialed into reliability as the ultimate goal. By aligning daily responsibilities with world-class reliability, you ensure that everyone is rowing in the same direction. Keep those communication lines wide open with every level of your team, encourage feedback, and don't hesitate to implement good ideas. The third crucial step is creating a physical roadmap. Once you've set your sights on world-class reliability, it's essential to craft a clear visual roadmap for each team member to reference. This roadmap should outline both short-term and long-term goals so that everyone knows where they're heading. And as time marches on, progress should be reported and communicated so the team can see how the journey is progressing and what needs to be tweaked for continued success. Last but certainly not least, we have advanced technology. In today's world, there are incredible technological advancements at our fingertips. To achieve world-class reliability, you need to be at the forefront of implementing Internet of Things tools like sensors and geolocation. Additionally, data from and usage of computerized maintenance management systems must continue to be refined so that you keep moving towards preventive and predictive maintenance. So there you have it, the 4 critical steps to achieving world-class manufacturing reliability. It's not an easy journey, but with committed leadership, a solid reliability culture, a clear roadmap, and the right technology, you can elevate your operations to the world-class level. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the 4 key steps to achieving world-class manufacturing reliability: committed leadership, transparency, a reliability culture, and advanced technology. Remember, UpKeep is here to support your journey to success. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For further resources and tools to elevate your maintenance and reliability teams, visit our website at upkeep.com. Until next time, keep striving for excellence.